back to the channel. We just got back from Days Race 5 with Racing for ALS. It was an awesome event, raised $250,000 for charity. Thank you for everybody that donated. This video is going to be my fastest lap video, my new personal best, in my 2019 CAMARO ZL1 1LE. I had previously run a 206 actually at last year's event in the old CAMARO ZL1. I beat that by 2 seconds and also had a very good theoretical, which means that I have quite a bit left on the table. So I ran a 204.6 in the new 2019 CAMARO ZL1 1LE, had a theoretical best of 203, and I had several opportunities that if I can fix, I'll go even faster. So these cars, kind of the record laps are in the high just sub 2 minute range. So I've got at least 4 seconds to gain. So my opportunities are still the uphill S's. I chickened out and hit the brakes on the uphill S's. I can carry more speed through turn 10, and then I can also carry more speed into roller coaster. So if you see something else though, please let me know in the comments below, because I really want to get better and faster at VIR, like some of you hot shoes. So here's the video. Thanks again for watching. If you see something that you think I can get faster lap times, please put it in the comments below, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.